Welcome to Vicky's channel. Today we will be making caramelized 3-layer pork. In Hokkien we call this cha or ba. And I have here one slab of 3-layer pork, also known as pork belly. Then I slice it into very thin slices. Then to cook this dish, it is fairly simple. All you need to do is to marinate the 3-layer pork, and then after that stir fry it. So you can marinate this 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even overnight. So to start off, I add in 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Then I also gonna add in a little bit of sesame oil, dash of ginger powder, dash of white pepper powder, and then also a pinch of Chinese five spice powder. I'm using Penang brand. You can get it anywhere in the wet market on the dry section or in supermarket. It comes in a very small pack. So just a little pinch will do because the taste and smell can be overpowering. Then also a little pinch of salt. Then also then roughly about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar will help to caramelize the 3-layer pork when we stir fried it. Last but not least, also I add in about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. For Chinese cooking, I use oyster sauce a lot. Most of the dish, it will require oyster sauce. So yeah. Then once I add in everything, I'm just gonna stir this and mix it well. I have listed down the full recipe in the description box below, so you can refer to that. If you like my video, do give my video a like, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking on the red subscribe button, and do turn on the notification so that you won't miss any new uploads from me. I have marinated the 3-layer pork for about 30 minutes, and I'm gonna start stir frying this dish. So in my pan, I added drizzles of sesame oil and canola oil. Then I heat it up and add in the marinated 3-layer pork. To simplify, I would say cooking this dish is like cooking curry paste, where you need to tumi the curry paste until it pecah minyak. This is more or less the same concept. When you add in the pork belly, you're gonna stir frying this for about 5 to 6 minutes, and you can see the sauce starts to seep out from the 3-layer pork. Then just continue stir frying this until it dries up. Then it will start to caramelize. Then once it caramelizes and have a nice glaze over the pork belly, you know that it is done. So you can dish up and serve it warm. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can leave your comment in the comment box below. And thank you for watching. Bye!